Welcome to this tutorial on common issues with EveryDollar savings goals. EveryDollar is a popular budgeting tool that helps users track their expenses and achieve their financial objectives. One of its key features is the ability to set savings goals, which can be customized to fit individual needs and priorities. However, users may encounter some common issues when setting and working towards these goals. First, let's discuss the importance of setting realistic targets. When creating a savings goal, it's essential to make sure it's achievable and aligned with your financial situation. Setting a goal that's too ambitious can lead to frustration and disappointment, while a goal that's too conservative may not challenge you to save enough. For example, if you want to save for a down payment on a house, you should consider your income, expenses, and current debt obligations to determine a realistic target. Another common issue is failing to regularly review and adjust savings goals. As your financial situation changes, your goals may need to be updated to reflect these changes. For instance, if you get a raise, you may want to increase your savings amount or adjust your goal deadline. Regularly reviewing your progress and making adjustments as needed will help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Inconsistent funding is another issue that can hinder progress towards savings goals. To avoid this, it's crucial to set up a consistent funding schedule, such as transferring a fixed amount from your checking account to your savings account each month. You can also consider setting up automatic transfers to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. Additionally, not accounting for emergencies can derail your savings progress. It's essential to have a separate emergency fund in place to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills. This will help you avoid dipping into your savings and stay on track with your goals. To overcome these common issues, it's essential to prioritize your savings goals, make consistent progress, and regularly review and adjust your targets. By following these best practices, you can overcome common obstacles and achieve your financial objectives using EveryDollar. Remember to stay flexible, and don't be too hard on yourself if you encounter setbacks. With persistence and the right strategy, you can reach your savings goals and improve your overall financial well-being.